Hello everyone, and welcome to my channel. My name is Kat and this is CatBudgets, and today I am going to be doing my April monthly spread layout. So I will be setting down my bills and expenses for the month of April on the monthly view. So if that is something that you're interested in watching, then let's get started. All right, so let's go ahead and flip to the month of April. But actually, before I flip, I just want to let you guys know that this is my Erin Condren 7x9 monthly planner with the rose gold coil in the Star Wars cover, because we love Star Wars over here. But yeah, okay, and I have the in bloom layout. So yes, so let's flip to April. And this is my lovely spread for the month of April. These stickers, I actually laid them out on my Instagram live, so I'll give you guys a little peek of what it looks like. But look how beautiful the colors are. The purple, blues, pinks. I'm obsessed. They look so cute. Love them. But all right, so let's start laying down my bills for the month. I like to have a visual of when my bills are going to be taken out, and like I've mentioned in the past, I actually get paid once a month, so that's why you only see one payday sticker laid down there, because I only get paid once a month, and that is either on the first business day of the month or the first. So I said that backwards, so either the first or the first business day. So obviously the first for April is going to be on Saturday, unfortunately, so because of that I don't get paid until the 3rd, but not an issue. It's not a big deal. Okay, so let's lay down the sticker for rent. So I'm gonna place this on here. It's gonna look a little awkward, but it's okay. So I want to use blue for that. So rent is due obviously on the 1st, and let's place that down. And my portion of the rent is actually $1,500, so $1,500. I live in a 2-bed, 2-bath apartment in an apartment complex, and that includes my room and my own bathroom and a parking spot. But okay, let's see. So that's rent. So the next bill that's going to be due is actually going to be Apple Music. And I actually bunch all of my categories into one for Apple, because all of the subscriptions that I have for Apple get taken out on the 1st. So the total that I get taken out is $22.47. So that is Apple Music, and I have the student discount. That is Apple Care and storage for my iCloud. And that gets taken out on the 1st. I also want to mention, I don't know if I already did, but I forget, but these stickers, the month stickers for the entire month, I bought these kits from Sara Marie Stickers, so I'll link her shop down below in the description box. And the bill stickers, the bill due stickers are hers as well, but then the stickers that I'm laying on top, they're actually all from Romina Rosa, so just so you guys can take a look there. So yeah. All right, then the next bill that I have due, and let's actually organize these. The next bill that I have due is actually my student loan, and I currently have a private student loan, and that is taken out every month automatically from my bank account, and the total that I'm paying is $270. My minimum payment is actually $268, and I think like 35 cents or something like that, but I just round up and pay $270, and that gets taken out on the 5th of every month. Okay, all right, and then next is actually going to be Hulu/Spotify. So again, with the student discount promotion that they have, if you sign up for Spotify through their website, they give you Hulu, Spotify, and I think something plus, I think Showtime maybe, but they give it to you for $4.99 a month. So that's actually what I have. So I have Hulu and Spotify for $5, and that gets taken out every 7th. Oh, and that's Good Friday. Just gonna lay that over. Okay, and then the next bill that I'm gonna have taken out, I don't have a sticker for that, but the next bill is actually going to be Weebly. And every time I see this, I always tell myself I'm gonna do the month, the year subscription up front, but I never do it. But it's Weebly / Square Up, and that is what I use to host my website. So that's the service that I use, the servicer, and I pay $17 a month for my website. My website is at CatBudgets.com. I don't know why I just said at, it's just CatBudgets.com, and I actually share my YouTube videos on there. I share my Instagram feed. I also have financial coaching, and I have coaching in both Spanish and English. And if you guys are interested in my service, then you guys can definitely head over there to my website and take a look. I have the capabilities to meet with you virtually if you are interested in financial coaching. But okay, then Weebly comes out on the 9th, which is actually Easter. Nice. Okay, and then I have my phone bill, and my phone bill is due every 10th, and my portion is about $65. And I actually think this is going to be the second to last time I pay this amount because my phone is almost paid off. But let's see, that is on the 10th. I can't wait until my phone is paid off. Okay, and then next is going to be my car insurance. So let's actually do yellow. So car insurance, and that is actually tied in with renter's insurance, and I pay $177.54, and that gets withdrawn from my bank account. And that is on the 13th. Perfect. Okay, and then the next thing that I have to do is actually the gym, and that gets taken out on the 17th, and the amount for that is actually $23.02, and that's for the gym, which I have not gone to. Should probably either cancel that or I don't know. Oh no, the sticker's not coming off. Oh, got stuck. Okay, and I said that that was the 17th. Oh, the 17th is on a Monday next month. Interesting. Okay. All right, and then next is going to be my Google Workspace, and that is the email address. The email, it's like a workspace, so it gives you an email address that you can use with any domain. And of course, I use my website. So, yep. And I pay $6.36 a month for that, and that is every 20th that gets withdrawn. And then let's see, next I have Wi-Fi. Do I have it? Here we go. Okay, so let's do Wi-Fi, and let's do blue here. And the Wi-Fi, my portion of the Wi-Fi is around $38, and I believe the Wi-Fi gets taken out around the 24th. I'm gonna lay it that day just in case. Okay, dokes. And then I have my life insurance. Put that over here. So then I have life insurance, and that gets taken out on the last of every month, and that is $20.93. Why are these stickers like this? Oh no! I love these colors though. I'm obsessed. I'm not gonna lie. All right, and that is on the last day of the month. Okie dokes. All right, so then the next thing that I have is actually going to be utilities, and I have electricity and water here, but I'm gonna see. So water, I'm gonna have an estimate. So water for me is due the 1st of every month. So what I've been doing is I've actually been laying down the water bill at the end of the month, just so I know that I have the funds for the 1st. So technically I'm a month ahead, I guess you could say, just because I don't want to not have the money when it's due, given the fact that sometimes I do get paid on the 3rd or the 2nd. So that money has to get paid regardless. So I'd rather just have it than not. And let's see, that gets paid on the 1st, but we're gonna have it due on the last day of the month. So this is for water, so I'm going to give myself around $40 for water. And again, all of my utilities are split between me and my roommate. I don't know if I mentioned that earlier, but in case I didn't, there you go. I don't really have space here, so let's just put it on top. Okay, and then electricity. So this is where it gets a little tricky because I've noticed that the utilities change every single month, and it's actually really annoying, but whatever. So I'm gonna give myself $65 for electricity just in case, and I'll probably put it like on the 29th, just so I can make sure that it's paid off by the 29th. So I'm giving myself $65, and then I'll also give myself some $65 for the gas bill utility. And I'll also have that due. Let's have it due around, yeah, I guess I'll do the same day. Okay, and I think that is it. I know that I have I actually have my excise tax that is, oh my God. Sorry, I read excise tax somewhere else. I actually have my gym yearly fee due. I have that due on the 1st, if I'm not mistaken. That's going to be $39. I do have sinking funds for that, so I will not be using funds from my paycheck, but yeah, just want to let you guys know. So gym yearly fee, that is due on the 1st, and that's going to be $39. I'm trying to see if there's anything else. Give me 1 second. There is not. Okay. I guess the only thing that I would probably put is I am anticipating going to get my car fixed, and I want to do my brakes and an oil change and see if I can do anything else. So I'm gonna try to go either on the 7th or the 14th. So I'm going to aim for the 14th maybe. And I received money from my taxes last month, but I just want to have the money just in case. I saved some of that money just in case. That's why I wanted to have it. So I'm gonna put $400, and I'm just gonna put car expenses just in case, because I'm anticipating needing to get my brakes done, and I know for certain I need an oil change soon, so that'll help cover that, and that's money, I guess you could count as sinking funds that I'll just bring in as well. But yeah, alrighty, I believe that is it for today, because I don't have anything else that I have to have paid for April. But if you guys liked this video, then I hope you guys give it a like. Please comment what was your favorite part or what your worst bill is for this month, and also please subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you join the CatBudgets fam. I am in love with this spread. I love the pinks and blue hues and a pop of purple. I think this is absolutely gorgeous. I love Sara Marie stickers. I think they're just stunning. Love them, obsessed. I'm obsessed. I think they're just gorgeous. So yeah, don't forget to follow me over on Instagram. My Instagram and my TikTok are both at CatBudgets, and that is CAT Budgets. So at CatBudgets. So head over there. I don't know if you guys saw my short, but I started my 100 envelope savings challenge, and sometimes I'll post a lot of more updates over on my Instagram. So make sure you give it a follow, so you guys can stay tuned on what I'm up to. But other than that, that is it for today. If you guys liked, again, please give it a like, comment, subscribe, and I will catch you guys on my next video. Thank you guys so much, and I hope that April treats you very, very well. Bye, guys.